Ready to rock and roll?
That's putting the percent into a decimal. So we could make sense and solve it for 20%.
They're learning from each other and different ways to solve the same type of a problem.
Yeah, usually I'm the one that thinks of a different way to solve it, and then that helps a lot of other people.
It really takes students to the next level, not just with the more challenging concepts, but they have to really dig into what they're doing.
Like walking through your process.
They are able to articulate what they're learning, why they're learning, and in many cases, how they're learning. So that's a cool piece.
And it's the power of PowerTeaching Math for grades 6, 7, 8, and Algebra 1. Combining a student-centered classroom environment with rigorous coursework, aligned with today's standards, PowerTeaching Math prepares students for success in high school, college, and career.
It's challenging, guys.
Yes, it is a rigorous program, but they're learning more, they're thinking more, they're understanding more. It's exciting.
Awesome! PowerTeaching Math was developed by the Success for All Foundation in partnership with the Johns Hopkins and Old Dominion universities. The program is built on a cooperative learning framework.
Cooperative learning is one of the most effective of all approaches to teaching of mathematics. If they have opportunities to ask questions of each other, to supplement the teacher's instruction, then there's an opportunity for kids to really get it.
Whenever I don't understand something, there's 3 people to help me, not just the teacher. It's 3 people.
It really makes the thought process visible to other students and to the teacher in a way that teacher-mediated instruction simply doesn't.
And it ends up being a better teaching situation.
PowerTeaching lessons are based on a cycle of effective instruction that begins with compelling concept presentations.
We're gonna go back to Quincy and Andy to look at a little video.
Award-winning videos enhance instruction. Some present math concepts in an entertaining, real-world context.
Cool.
Let's figure out when we've earned the same amount of money.
That's a swell idea.
We're talking about the Pythagorean theorem.
Think like a mathematician.
Other videos show students what it means to think like a mathematician and challenge them to solve problems using proven math practices.
I measured the wall. It's 8 feet tall.
So it really does engage them in how they would use the math situation of that day.
Think about the window in the video
I love
that we watched.
when it comes to a lesson where there's a video.
Work with your team. Make sure everyone can explain and answer the question.
As lessons move into teamwork, students work together to process concepts and practice solving problems.
Team mastery, please refer
Using rubrics to guide them, students report on their work, explaining how they arrived at an answer and which math practice they used.
The rubrics take their answers beyond just right and wrong to disclose the thinking behind them. That makes every problem a math experience.
The PowerTeaching program really has helped our students become very capable, confident thinkers and communicators.
We used a math model.
As students move from teacher-guided practice to independent practice, assessments measure their mastery of concepts. With PowerTeaching's data gathering and analysis tools, teachers can track each student's progress and use the information to plan instruction.
By using data to drive what's happening in the classroom, we've seen a rise in student achievement.
PowerTeaching Math includes a comprehensive set of lessons and grade-level resources developed by Success for All. Aligned with today's standards, the lessons cover all major math concepts for grades 6, 7, 8, and Algebra 1. Teachers can also use the PowerTeaching framework to create their own content lessons. Ongoing professional development is a key feature of PowerTeaching Math. Collaboration among teachers is guided by agendas and supportive media developed by Success for All. Teachers also benefit from the one-to-one coaching of a school-based math facilitator.
The teachers can receive support for their unique situation in their classrooms with their unique groups of learners.
Partner schools also gain access to the extensive professional development assets of Success for All.
Everybody ready to rock and roll?
Yes, we're ready.
When you look into one of these classrooms, what you will see is virtually every student engaged processing math content for the entire period. Kids are just excited to come to math class.
Everybody's working together, we get more stuff done, and we get better grades.
They become problem solvers, and it's this whole idea of what we talk about for the 21st century learner.
We want student-centered classrooms, and if that's what you want, then PowerTeaching is a way to get there.
It's a great program, and our scores are showing that. Our kids are growing, and they're growing at a very high rate.
Rigorous, research-proven, results-driven, student-centered. PowerTeaching Math.
All right, nice class today, everybody. Nice job. See you tomorrow.